Microgreens sunflower. In previous video, I introduced how to grow mustard, morning glory. In this video, I introduce how to grow sunflower. Trong video này mình giới thiệu cách trồng rau mầm hoa hướng dương. The seed, you can use the organic seed from Sen Nông, Trong, or any seed, but it is organic. The tool, you prepare one tray, one box for water. Dụng cụ chuẩn bị là hạt, một khay, một hộp nhựa đựng nước. You use the seed soak into the water overnight. Do 1 tablespoon of seed. Keep in the water overnight. 1 muỗng hạt hướng dương ngâm trong nước và đêm 8 tiếng. Rồi đậy lại. In the next day, now this is evening. Next day, you rise seeds in the water and then keep the seed on the tray. You see the tray have some hole. So every day, twice a day, you raise the water and change the water. You raise the water over the seed and then change the water. So I usually do this in the morning and then evening after coming home from work. Now let's see the first day. Now sprouting. You see a little bit sprout. Change the water. Thay nước 2 lần một ngày. Thường là thay vào buổi sáng trước khi đi làm và buổi tối sau khi đi làm về. Cứ làm tiếp tục như vậy đến 7 ngày. This is the second day. Ngày thứ 2. Sprout a little bit longer. Cái mầm nó đã lên dài hơn một tí. You see the root. Replace the water. Rise under the water. Now let's see the third day. The sprout longer, you can see, obviously grow up. The root very long. Day 4. Now expect to see how is it growing every day. Ngày thứ 4. Hạt khá dài, rỡ ra dài hơn. Đấy, mầm rất là dài. Day 5. No, this is day 6, sorry. Day 6. Sprout long. You can eat at day 6. Or you can keep until day 7. Skin from the top and then have it. When you have it, you pull it up and trim the root. Finish day 7. After day 7, you can eat. And you eat as a fresh salad, or you make a soup. Baby, it's really so vitamin. Now pull the sprout, wash it, take out all skin.